kotse. Ay, nandito sa labay. Ayan. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Why you are following me? Yeah. Nice naman siya. You are following me whatever I go. Oh, wow! You have to? Bakit dalawa? Ay, ang regalo ni Kuya sa akin. Ano kaya yun? Medyas. Medyas daw. Yung regalo ko kay Kuya. Puro mga polo. Polo na lang, polo. Yes, a lot of t-shirt. Ha? Ano ba sa? Not yet. He's getting the gift. He said it's inside the car. He's getting from the car. Ano kaya yun? That's from you, what's up? Huh? Did you ask Kuya to buy something for me? Huh? That's why he has two gifts? Ano kaya yun? He said he has two gifts. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Bakit dalawa daw? No. I don't want anymore. It's really hurt my feelings. Yeah. When someone steal the first cat, oh my god, it's like that cat is so sweet. What is his name? I forgot. Yeah, the first one. Diba ito nagbigay ng pangalan nun? Oh yes, it's Zimbab. And then the second one is Ginger. Zimbab is very sweet. It's so sweet. Kaya lang, ninakaw kasi eh. I love that cat. Tagal naman ni Kuya. Ano kaya yun? Bakit? Bagong kotse. Ay, wes. Para mga pag-asawa na, no? Para mga pag-asawa na si Kuya, may bahay na siya. Then, meron ang girlfriend yan. Nato. Japanese. Kuya. Where's si Kuya? What's that? Are you sure this is for me? Wow. Oh, wow. Ano kaya ito? Aba, dami ah. Oh, wow. From Japan. His love. From Japan, Kuya? Ha? Ganda oh.
From Colombia.
Oh, binili na ko ni Kuya ng dalawang jacket. Yeah.
No, that's just active because it's supposed to match your other gift.
From Russia.
It's supposed to match your other gift. That one. You're supposed to get shoes. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Meron pa akong gift certificate.
They don't have your size in the New Balance. They don't have your size.
Oh, Messi. Gift certificate.
Just go back there when they have your size.
Wow, gift certificate from Ross. Oh, Litaw. Thank you, Kuya. Open your gift. Wow.
But you said you wanted shoes, right?
No, meron akong bibili si basta ng New Balance.
Yeah, the black one.
Yeah. Size 11. Yay! I have Messi and Ross. Bunso. Wow, hindi ko ripot si Kuya ngayon. No, you're not. Saan mo nabili ito? Ito ganda, Kuya, oh. Yeah, bunso, no? Ganda, no? Nice, right? No, the color. I like the color.
That's from California.
From California daw. I need to buy Adidas and ano. Meron marami sa ano, famous footwear.
Supposed to match your shoes.
Yeah.
And your shoes. So you have like active wear and then you have
Yay! Ang get ni Mami kay Kuya. Look, extra large.
boys are huge, but okay.
Extra large, hindi malaki to.
Just a large, but that's fine.
Yeah. Extra large. Yes, mahilig sa polo eh.
I'm a Uniqlo right now.
You have plenty t-shirt, that's why.
Yeah.
And
There's a lot of polo.
what is that? Oh yeah, what else?
Oh, you got short.
Kaya naman naman pag si Mami bumili, madami. Yun. Kasi yan, ang laki-laki niyan. Shirt them. Yan. O, diba? Ang
Oh, yeah,
laki-laki.
This one's large.
Ang laki-laki gusto. Extra large.
Yeah.
Extra large. Ang laki-laki yan ni Kuya. Extra large.
I'm still a large, so I did get fat, but it's went from medium to large.
Yeah. Ito, sarap lang. Kasi, ang dami mo ng panglakwat sa Kuya. Welcome, welcome.
Did you get your shoes yet? Pooh? Did you get your shoes yet?
Hindi pa yata.
Did you get your shoes yet? Yeah.
Bakit yun sa akin? Ilang days lang? 5 days? Kailan mo yung drop yung ano mo?
I just ordered like last week.
Ah. Sa akin 5 days lang ako dumating na kagad. Nagulat ako.
Kailangan lang order.
Hindi, binili ko yung sa Macy. Same. Round or red?
In-order mo to?
Binili ko sa Macy. Pinadala ko sa kanya. Pero 5 days lang dumating na. Kaya nagulat ako.
Yeah, that's from the USPS. You didn't order, you just sent it to her.
Yeah, I sent it to her.
I ordered mine.
You order? From where?
The link that she gave.
Ano yung order mo? The shoes?
Yeah.
Tapos bibilang niya ako ng shoes. Ano yun? Wow. certificate from Macy and Ross. My God, shopping na naman ako.